Uh, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss two questions for interview related questions. First question is how does the Node.js event loop execute asynchronous task without blocking the single main threaded? And second question is what is the purpose of next function is express middleware and what happens if it is omitted in a route handler. So I will talk about event loop. Event loop. How does the work? How does work event loop? How to work event loop? So mainly we know that JavaScript or Node.js is a single-threaded language, but its work likes multi-threading. It's JavaScript mainly. JavaScript mainly. Uh, mm, JavaScript likes working multi-threading through event loops. Uh, uh, how mm, uh, how to work in event loops? Mainly when let's example I have a JavaScript file with some codes like synchronous code, promise related code, or asynchronous code. Mm, when is execute the JavaScript file, then then is executing call stack. Execute to call stack. What is call stack? Call stack is a data structure. It's mainly its perform of mainly follows LIFO method. Means last in first out. So when firstly call stack is a main function, then line by line code in JavaScript file. We know that JavaScript is execute is line by line, is the interpreted language, and when is execute the synchronous code is instantly execute the code. But when problem is asynchronous and promise related code, when come to call stack asynchronous and asynchronous and promise related code, then he pass to an assistant, like web API and C++ API, C++ API. When asynchronous and promise related code full completed, then he pass to two type of data structure like microtask queues and callback queues. Microtask queues store promise related task, and callback queue storing asynchronous related task. When so microtask and call stack queues is a that also data structure. It's follow FIFO method, first in first out, but firstly execute microtask queues, then execute is call stack queues. It's connect to call stack using event loop. It's the whole process of event loop in Node.js. Is the first question. Next question is next method. What is the purpose next function in middle Express.js. Next function is the parts of middleware. What is middleware? Middleware is a function like a function is he has it has three related parameter request. He has it has three parameters like request, response, and next function. every middleware when completed the task, then he pass to next middleware or response, pass to response. Then when need next function, without need next function, every software or every program is pause or stop or stopped. So must be need every middleware next function. When we are call next function, then he pass to next middleware. It's the purpose of next function. So assalamu alaikum.